Hello, Achiever fam. We already told you that this regular algae is not another piece of crap. It's gold when it turns to oil. I spilled the beans on its benefits while introducing it in a previous video. But in this video, we'll list every algae oil pro and understand it from a consumer's perspective. Here we go, unearthing 4 mighty benefits of algae oil. So let's get started. As I told you, it's not your regular fish oil. This is liquid sunshine from the ocean packed with omega-3s. You might have heard of this word, and you'll hear it often in this video, because omega-3 is a brain-boosting, heart-loving, muscle-sculpting warrior of wellness. Ultimate energy booster. Algae oil is like the Iron Man of omega-3s, especially DHA and EPA. Think of them as the ultimate performance boosters for your brain, heart, and mood. Imagine feeling like a sluggish sloth on Monday morning, then downing an algae smoothie, and bam! You're suddenly this energized unicorn sprinting through life, tackling challenges with laser focus, and muscles so toned they deserve their own Instagram account. Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but algae oil has some serious potential to upgrade your human software. Plant-based source. Unlike fishy fish oil, algae oil is vegan-friendly and perfect for everyone, from eco-warriors to land lovers. You can save the fish and keep your taste buds happy. It's a win-win. Algae oil offers health and environmental benefits over fish oil, including fewer contaminants and more sustainability. Fish oil contains toxic chemicals like PCBs, and the lack of it in algae oil makes it safe for pregnant and nursing women. Algae oil is also produced in laboratories, making it a more nature-conscious choice due to climate change. Big brain power. Studies suggest algae oil might help you conquer brain fog, boost memory, and improve focus. Most of the global population lacks long-chain marine omega-3s, particularly DHA, and this DHA is crucial for brain and eye development and mental health. The low intake of DHA increases the risk of ADHD, autism, bipolar disorder, depression, and even suicidal ideation. Algae oil with its omega-3 supply will keep you away from all this. King from the heart. Research shows it might lower bad cholesterol and keep your ticker ticking in tip-top shape. A healthy heart is the ultimate superpower. Algae oil can lower blood pressure and enhance blood vessel function, thus lowering the risk of a heart attack or stroke. People who consume omega-3 1 to 4 times a week are less likely to die of heart disease. High doses of omega-3s can reduce levels of triglycerides, and omega-3 supplements may help relieve symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. So that is it for today. See you in another video. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications from the Super Achievers Club. Comment down if you have any doubts about algae oil.